Hello, I'm Dr. Madhvi Vash. Let's talk for just a few minutes about chronic kidney disease and whether it's reversible or not. There are at least 800 million people worldwide who suffer from some degree of chronic kidney disease. It is a huge public health problem, and not just in the United States, but in the entire world. The question becomes, can we reverse any of this kidney damage? And I think that we can. Now, if you know anyone with the kidney damage of any stage from stage 1 to stage 5, please share this video with them. Share it with one of their family members so that perhaps we can reach them and help them understand that they are not doomed to having a certain stage of kidney failure for the rest of their life. So let's talk about this. Now, the leading cause of chronic kidney disease in the US and indeed in the world is diabetes and hypertension. Now, both of these conditions are caused by chronically high blood sugars, which lead to chronically high insulin levels either because of your pancreas putting out a lot more insulin trying to lower your blood sugar, or by you taking insulin injections or taking a medication if you are diabetic that causes your pancreas to create even more insulin. All these things lead to chronic kidney disease. They are by far and away the first and the second most common cause of CKD in the world. So anytime you hear someone say that, oh, you are eating too much protein, that's going to cause kidney damage. That's ridiculous. That is due to lack of knowledge. What causes kidney damage is chronically high blood sugar and chronically high insulin levels in the bloodstream caused by your diet. Now, if you have type 1 diabetes, you don't have as much control over this, but you still can use a low carb diet to improve your type 1 control. And if you don't control it, you are not guaranteed a life of a kidney disease because of your diabetes. So by far and away, the most common causes are diabetes and hypertension, both of which are at least partially reversible with the diet you take. Now, doctors diagnose kidney failure or kidney disease by finding a protein called albumin in your urine. That's the very first indication. Oh, this person has some kidney disease because your kidneys are supposed to filter all the protein back out, all the amino acids out, and put it back in your blood supply because it's very expensive for your body to manufacture amino acid and to manufacture proteins. And so your body does not like to ever waste energy if it can. So it tries to recycle all those by collecting them in the kidneys and putting them back into the bloodstream. But if you are struggling with damaged kidneys, with chronic diabetes and chronic hypertension, your kidneys start to spill protein into your urine. And I think this is the reason that the myth that proteins harms your kidneys is it comes out of the mouth of many doctors is because if you are peeing out protein in your urine, and that's a sign of kidney disease. But it's very much true that if you have kidney disease, then excess protein could be harmful, especially animal protein. Again, eliminating trigger factors could bring significant improvement in kidney disease. You should especially look into foods that are high in potassium and phosphorus, and cutting them off from your diet might reduce creatinine and improve GFR. Well, cutting off alcohol is another way of taking care of your kidney health. It may potentially help lower the risk of diabetes, which is a leading cause of diabetic nephropathy. Well, kidney damage can be prevented with a natural and holistic approach to treatment. It's obvious that chronic kidney disease needs treatment that customizes the disease pathology, the constitution of the patient, and the physical symptoms. While conventional medicine focuses on slowing the progression, homeopathy looks deeper at the whole person, not just the kidneys. While CKD is traditionally managed through medication, dialysis, or transplant in severe cases, Bharat Homeopathy focuses on invigorating the body's natural healing mechanisms. It aims to restore balance at the physical, emotional, and energetic levels, which can help slow the progression of kidney damage and improve the quality of life. Bharat homeopathic medicine are non-toxic, safe and effective in bringing relief. These medicines are given in small globules dipped in alcohol-based medicine after a full case taking. They improve energy levels, regulate immunity and start acting on the root cause of the disease, thus holistically tackling CKD. Bharat Homeopathy has treated thousands of kidney patients worldwide and offered them a medicine-free and dialysis-free lifestyle. The kidney issue is not a big issue now. Just embrace holistic medicine and notice a major improvement in your kidney disease. Thanks.